Good morning everyone. Welcome back to maths class. Students, as you know, coronavirus is still around us. So today, one more time, I'm going to brush up your memory. So listen and observe each and every point very, very carefully. First is symptoms and risk factors. Symptoms of coronavirus. Symptoms are fever, cough, shortness of breath. Very difficult to take breathe. Risk factors. Risk factors, in it we have young ones, older age, underlying chronic medical conditions, means persons that have any kind of problem like sugar, BP patients, etc. So in these kind of persons, the chance of coronavirus is high if they are come in contact with any other person. Next is, it takes approximately 2 to 14 days, median 5 days, for an infected person to show symptoms. बेटा अगर किसी को कोरोना वायरस होता है तो इट डजंट मीन्स कि आपको फर्स्ट डे ही पता लग जाएगा. 2 to 14 डेज का टाइम पीरियड है जिसमें ये सिम्टम्स जो मैंने ऊपर आपको शो किए हैं, फीवर, कफ, शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रीथ, इन तीनों में से कोई भी सिम्टम शो हो सकते हैं. टाइम पीरियड इज 2 to 14 डेज, मीडियन 5 डेज, मीन्स नियर टू 5th डे के पास आके ये सिम्टम स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं शो होना अगर किसी को कोरोना वायरस है तो. फाइन. द नेक्स्ट इज precautions to be taken against COVID-19. When you feel cough or sneeze, do it with your bent elbow. Look at the picture. Don't use your hand whenever you will cough or sneeze. Use your bent elbow. This is very much compulsory. Next, avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Avoid touching. Wash your hands frequently. This is again very important point. Next, if you find that someone is coughing or sneezing, then maintain a distance of at least 1 meter with that person. Whenever you are going outside, always carry a small bottle of sanitizer with you and always wear mask. Don't forget to take the bottle of sanitizer and mask. Mask plays a very important role to save you from the coronavirus. Avoid to go those places where gathering is excess. बेटा ये मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला था, अवॉइड करो मार्केट में जाना. ठीक है, तब भी मैंने आपको बोला था, फिर बोल रही हूँ, जैसे आगे गुरुपुरब आ रहा है, फिर क्रिसमस आएगा. सो अवॉइड गोइंग टू द प्लेसेस वेयर गैदरिंग इज एक्सेस. बेटर टू स्टे एट योर होम. सो नेक्स्ट इज, how can we boost our immunity? So how can you increase your immunity to fight against this coronavirus? Drink up to 8 to 10 glasses of lukewarm water every day. बेटा अब तो वैसे भी कोल्ड विंटर स्टार्ट हो गया है, तो अवॉइड ड्रिंकिंग कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स एंड कोल्ड वाटर. स्टार्ट ड्रिंकिंग lukewarm water. Try to exercise daily for 30 minutes. Look, jumping jacks, push-ups, sit-ups, squats, do any. As you wish, do any, but at least 30-minute exercise daily. This will help you to increase your immunity. Next point is very important. Take healthy diet. Prefer to take the items in food that contain vitamin C to increase our immunity, because vitamin C plays a very important role to increase our immunity. And look at the picture, some things are given. Observe vegetables that are rich in vitamin C. Thank you. Points are clear to you, students? Points are clear? Yes. Mehak, Monday is a holiday, so that's why हमने टेस्ट कंडक्ट नहीं किया. Fine. Beta, you are writing again and again in the chat box now. You didn't send test map. This is the reason, because Monday is a holiday और holiday वाले दिन टेस्ट कैसे कंडक्ट होना था? That's why. Fine. Now come to the next exercise 6C. Come to the question number 10. A part is 400 decimal 8 divided by 400. This is the question. Now, this is decimal. The first step is to change this decimal to fraction by removing this decimal. Now, on the right hand side of decimal, we have one decimal place. It means when you will remove this decimal, you will write 10 in the denominator. Why? Because on the right hand side of decimal, we have only one decimal place. Now, this 400 is written as 400 divided by 1. Now change this division to multiplication and this right hand side number reciprocal. So this is 1 upon 400. Next is, yes, divided by multiplication of these two numbers and you will get 4000. Now your wish, either use division method और use cancellation method. मैंने आपको last week भी बेटा बोला था, there is no hard and fast rule. Either we have two methods. One is cancellation method and second is division method. So solve the sum according to your wish. जैसे आपको convenient लगता है. Look here. Here the division is, yes, Pavni, you have any doubt?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, मैंने cancellation बतानी थी.
Okay, okay. Now tell me cancellation.
Ma'am, ma'am, on 4 table.
In the table of 4. Cancellation in the table of 4. Look here. 4 ones are 4.
4.
3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Now 4 ones are 4. 2 zeros and 4 twos are 8. So this is 1002 divided by. Now Pavni, tell me, here we can give the result by applying the shortcut method or not? At this
Ma'am, we will
stage,
do cutting on the table of 2.
तो मैं कह रही हूँ अवॉइड करो कटिंग को इस स्टेज पे. Why? You tell me what is the reason? यहाँ पे अवॉइड करो. Avoid cancellation. Avoid cancellation. Tell me the reason, Pavni. Why?
Ma'am, because we have zeros.
Cancellation here. Any other student who want to reply this, raise your hand. At this stage, I suggest you to avoid cancellation. Yes, Mehak?
Ma'am, because it has zero, we have zero.
हाँ, then क्या होता है जीरो से फिर?
मैम जीरो से मैम जो जीरो मैम हम ना अगर मैम आंसर इज 1.002.
Yes. At this stage, I suggest you to avoid the cancellation. Whenever you will observe 1 along with zeros, then avoid cancellation and apply the shortcut method. Count the zeros. 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, it means
Yes.
ma'am, it means we have to write the answer in decimal fraction.
Yes, decimal fraction. So 1, 2, 3. So after 3 digits, 2, 0, 0, decimal 1, and this is the result. इससे पावनी, listen to me very very carefully बेटा, इससे आपकी कैलकुलेशन इजी हो जाएगी. आई नो ये फर्दर कट होता है 2 के टेबल पे, पर अगर आप इसको फर्दर 2 के टेबल पे कट करोगे तो नेक्स्ट फिर आपको यहाँ पे डिवीजन करके दिखानी पड़ेगी. तो बेटर है whenever you will observe 1 along with 0, avoid cancellation, stop there and try to apply this method. इससे आपका टाइम भी नहीं वेस्ट होगा, तो आपका सम भी इजीली हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज द रीजन. कैंसलेशन कर रही है कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे थे भी, मैं 2 के टेबल पे यहाँ पे कैंसलेशन करूंगी. 2 के टेबल पे यहाँ पे कैंसलेशन करोगे बेटा, ये फिर से ये चेंज हो जाएगा ना, ये चेंज होगा 500 में. फिर आपको यहाँ पे प्रॉपर डिवीजन करके दिखानी पड़ेगी, तो उससे आपका थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. तो बेटर whenever you will observe 1 along with zeros, avoid cancellation and apply the shortcut method. So this is, so 1002 divided by this. Pavni, if my point is clear to you, then write down in the chat box. Okay. Now come to the E part. Write down this and then we will start E part. E part is 30 decimal 94 divided by 70. Raghav Gupta from the class. Yes. Raghav, tell me beta, how can we solve this sum? 30 decimal 94 divided by 70.
We will convert them.
Yes, tell me. We will convert
Into fractions.
Very good. Now tell me 39 in the denominator, 10, 100 or 1000? In the denominator, what you will write? 10, 100 or 1000? Very good, 100. Check the decimal places. This is the decimal. On the right hand side of decimal, we have 2 decimal places. 1, 2. So whenever you will remove the decimal, you will write 100 here. And what about this, Raghav? What about this? This is 70. Pratigya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
मैम
morning,
सबसे
Pratigya.
पहले
Tell me
हम
what about
70
this?
के नीचे डिनोमिनेटर को 1 बना देंगे.
Then what is the next step?
देन मैम हम डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लाई में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे.
Then what we will write here?
मैम हम 1/70 लिखेंगे.
Very good. Yes, this is 1/70. And this is 3094 divided by 7,000.
7.
Again, your wish. Either use the cancellation method or division method. Check that this number is, if you want to apply the cancellation method, then check that this number is divisible by 7 or not, because cancellation is also one kind of division. Cancellation भी तो एक division है ना, तो ये 7 है, तो check करो ये 7 पे divide होगा. 3094 7 7 4s are 28. Again 7 4s are 28. 7 2s are 14. हो गया.
Yes.
Cancellation in the table of 7. Cancellation भी division ही है. ये 7 था तो मैंने इसकी 7 से division कर दी. So this is, you will get 1 2 3 and 4 4 2. So you will get 442 divided by 1000. Now tell me, Pratikya, what is the next step?
Ma'am, we will convert this number to decimal.
Direct,
Zero
we can convert direct.
Yes, ma'am.
Because 1 along with zeros. 1 along with zeros. So we can apply the shortcut method. Check 3 zeros. 1 2 3. So in the numerator, after writing 3 digits, you will put decimal here. Fine? Very good. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Raghav and Kritigya. So this is the way to solve the sum. और बेटा अगर आपने इसकी डायरेक्ट डिवीजन करनी है तो डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हो. फाइन. सो यूज एनी मेथड, योर विश. So write down and then we will start question number 11. Now 11th question. Again based on division, same division. So this is 9.8784 divided by 0.98. Now look, in this question, wait beta, I am going to take your attendance, then we will continue. Fine. Now look, in this question we have decimal in both the decimal numbers. Look here, 9 decimal 8784 divided by 0 decimal 98. So you will observe decimal in both the decimal numbers. So remove the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now divided by. Don't change this to multiplication now. Don't change now. First of all, remove the decimal. 98 divided by 100. बेटा प्रीवियस सम में हम इसको रेसिप्रोकल कर देते थे ना इमीडिएटली बिकॉज देयर was no decimal in that questions, but here you have decimal in this part also. So first of all you will remove the decimal, and whenever you will remove the decimal, no need to write this 0, no need to write this 0 in front of this decimal. Now change this to multiplication and right hand side reciprocal. Look. So right hand side reciprocal. Now check that cancellation is possible or not. Check that. First of all, cancellation of these two zeros. Now further cancellation is possible or not? Yes, possible. Mehak said yes ma'am, cancellation is possible. Now start your cancellation and tell me the result. You can do the cancellation in the table of 2 also. यहाँ पे 2 पे भी इसको मत करना क्योंकि ये zeros है 1 0 0, इसको करो. और डायरेक्ट बेटा चेक करो 98 पे डायरेक्ट कैंसिलेशन हो रही है इसकी या नहीं हो रही है. डायरेक्ट कैंसिलेशन 98 पे. दिस इज 98, दिस इज 98784, this is 98. 98 ones are 98. Now 8 minus 8 0, 9 minus 9 0, 7. This is 7. This is 98. Division is not possible. So we need one more digit. To take one more digit, first of all you will multiply with 0. Again, the division is not possible because 78 is smaller than 98. Again, at this step, multiplication with 0. So you will write 0 here and 4. Then 98 8s are 784. So cancellation, ones are 1008. So 1008 divided by 100 and 10 decimal 08. 10 decimal 08. Look, direct cancellation by 98. Look, ये मैंने 98 से इसको डिवाइड कर दिया डायरेक्ट. बेटा हर एक स्टेप में 8 डिजिट प्रोवाइड होता है हमें. इन ईच स्टेप वी गेट 1 डिजिट. लुक, और अगर और डिजिट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है डिवीजन के लिए तो यू विल टेक द हेल्प ऑफ 0. लुक, I one more time I will explain this division. Look, this is 98784 98. 98 ones are 98. So 98 minus 98 0. 0 लिखना है लिखो, नहीं लिखना मत लिखो. This is your wish. Now come. 7 comes down. बेटा हमारा एक डिजिट आ गया नीचे, पर हमारी डिवीजन तो हुई नहीं. 7, एक स्टेप में एक ही डिजिट मिलेगा आपको. हमने 7 को यूटिलाइज कर लिया, बट डिवीजन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो वी विल टेक द हेल्प ऑफ 0, पुट 0 हियर, and then 8 will come down. Multiplication with 0. Now again check. 78 is smaller than 98. Again division is not possible. एक और digit चाहिए. Again we will take the help of 0. So multiplication with 0, and then in the next step 4 here. And then 8s are 784. So this is shortcut method 10 decimal 0 h. Write down. Then we will start next question. बेटा मैं पहले आपको बोल रही हूँ, ये कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है ये कैंसलेशन करनी. आप डायरेक्ट भी इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके डिवाइड कर सकते हो. नहीं कैंसलेशन करनी मत करो. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो और डायरेक्ट डिवीजन कर दो. जैसे आपको अच्छा लगता है वैसे करना, गलत मत करना. Write down, then we will start C part. Let's start C part. Three decimal 0525 divided by 5 decimal 5. Natansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Natansh. Tell me how can we solve this sum?
मैम पहले हम इनको फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करेंगे.
Now tell me, what is the fraction of this first decimal number?
मैम 30525
Yes.
by 10000.
How many zeros?
मैम 4.
Yes. Because after the decimal on the right hand side we have 4 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What about this?
मैम हम इसको भी चेंज करेंगे.
Yes. Tell me, this is 55
by 10.
by 10. What is the next step?
मैम अब हम इसे रेसिप्रोकल में चेंज करेंगे.
3 किसको? लेफ्ट को या राइट को?
मैम राइट.
So 30,525. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 10 divided by 55. Tell me, what is the next step?
मैम हम कैंसिलेशन करेंगे.
किसकी करूं मैं?
मैम 5.
5 की?
मैम यस.
5 की बेटा? कि 5 के टेबल पे?
मैम 5 के टेबल में.
ओके ओके 5 के टेबल पे. ठीक है, पहले तो ये 0 से 0 कट कर देते हैं. ठीक है, चलो 5 के टेबल पे करो कैंसिलेशन. बताओ मुझे क्या आएगा. इसको 5 के टेबल पे कैंसिल करके क्या आएगा?
मैम 11.
वेरी गुड. 5 के टेबल पे कैंसिलेशन करके वी गेट 11. किसकी भी करनी है 5 के टेबल पे ना. तो चलो 30525 और ये 5 के टेबल पे. टेल मी 5 6
6.
30.
मैम 5 1s are 5.
5 1s are 5. Then
मैम हम 2 को नीचे लाएंगे.
वेरी गुड 2 को नीचे लाएंगे. 2 को नीचे लेके आए, डिवीजन हो रही है, पॉसिबल है डिवीजन?
मैम नो।
हाँ, तो फिर किसकी हेल्प लोगे?
मैम डेसिमल।
नो, डेसिमल की क्यों हेल्प लोगे? अभी हमारे पास आगे डिजिट्स हैं। डेसिमल की हेल्प तब लेते हैं जब हमारे डिजिट फिनिश हो जाते हैं। हमारे अभी डिजिट फिनिश नहीं हुए, हमारे पास अभी 5 है। वी विल टेक द हेल्प ऑफ 0, मल्टीप्लीकेशन विद 0. So multiplication with 0 and this 5 will come down. डेसिमल की हेल्प बेटा तब लेनी है जब हमारे डिजिट्स खत्म हो गए हैं, फिनिश हो गए हैं। अभी हमारे यहाँ पे फिनिश नहीं हुए, अभी हमारे पास 5 है, तो वी विल टेक द हेल्प ऑफ 0, मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ 0 नाउ. So this is 5 5s are 25. So after cancellation, you will get 6105. Fine. Now check
Yes.
further. ये 11 पे डिवाइड हो रहा है कि नहीं? 6105 और ये 11 है. Start your cancellation. 6105 11. Tell me.
मैम 11 5s are 55.
11 5s are 55. Then this is again 11 5s are
55.
again 11 5s are sorry 55. So yes, 11 ones are 11 and again so 5 5 5. So you will get 555 divided by 1000. क्योंकि मैं आपको हमेशा बोलती हूँ इसकी कैंसलेशन को अवॉइड करो, 1 along with zeros. Now apply the shortcut method. 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 1 2
मैम
3 and
0.555.
put decimal here. So this is your wish. Either use this cancellation method or direct multiply करके division. And one more thing, ये direct 55 पे भी divide हो जाना था. अगर आप इस नंबर को 55 से डिवाइड करते ना तो डायरेक्ट, क्योंकि देखो फुल कैंसलेशन हो रही है, तो अगर आप इसकी कैंसलेशन करोगे 55 पे भी डिवाइड करोगे डायरेक्ट तो वो 55 से भी हो जाएगा. फाइन, वेरी गुड. Again I am saying, fine, decimal we will use whenever we have no digit, but if we have digits and division is not possible, then we will take the help of 0. We will do the multiplication with 0. So this thing is very very important. ये अपनी notebook में note कर लो. We will put the decimal if we have no digits. But if we have digits, then we will do the multiplication with 0. Write 0 in the question. Write down. Now 12th question. All the questions are same beta. There will be no difference. कोई difference नहीं है. No Mehak, today is not the test day. I will not send any test. Monday को ही होता है, first और third week. Now come to the question number 12. Come to the 12th question. Again same. only the position of decimal change and number change. 2814 divided by 351 decimal 75. Now remove the decimal. So 2814 divided by 35175 divided by 100. Now change this division to multiplication. So 2814 multiplied by 100 upon 35175. Now multiply and divide. Multiply and divide, beta, divide. This is 281400 35175. डायरेक्ट 8, इसको 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे ना, you will get this number. So result is 8. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लो 8 से 35175 को, you will get direct this number 281400. So direct 8. You can do cancellation also, your wish. But अगर डायरेक्ट भी करते हो तो डायरेक्ट भी रिजल्ट आ जाएगा, जैसे आपको अच्छा लगता है. Start solving B part. Start solving B part. 48 divided by 1 decimal 92. Yes, very good. Very good, Divya. Start solving B part. In the B part, we have 48 divided by 1 decimal 92. So 48 divided by 192 divided by 100. Now 48 multiplied by 100 and 192. So this is 4800 divided by 192. Divide it. Divide it by 192. Again, either use cancellation method or direct division, your wish. So this is 4800 192. 2s are 384. Then 960. So 192 5s are 960. So the result is 25. Natash, not 4 is the result, 25 is the result. Check division here. 192 2s are 384. Yes. Then 960. 192